On the second day of its mission, the G7 Plus Secretariat delivered a presentation in Monrovia, Liberia, to donor countries, civil society, and students, explaining the role and work of G7 Plus.
Today is the second day of our visit here in Liberia. I had a very productive meetings with the Minister of Finance and the civil society, the National Election Commission of Liberia, and it's a presentation to the University of Liberia students, and meeting with development partners, UN resident coordinators, UN agencies, and ambassadors that are accredited to Liberia. So far, we had a very good meeting with development partners, introducing the work of the G7 Plus, including the expectations of their role in Liberia, the contribution of development partners here in the Republic of Liberia. We had a very good exchange of information over the course of 1 hour and so on. So it has been a very productive meeting, and we ended up going to meet with the civil society, where the civil society also played a pivotal role in complementing the initiatives of the government by consolidating themselves, the membership, including the initiative of contributing to peaceful environment in the border of Liberia and Guinea-Conakry. They are prepared to go to the border of Liberia and Guinea-Conakry to talk to the other civil societies from neighboring countries in order to discuss, to reconcile, and also to take this course forward in a peaceful and amicable way. So this is part of the engagement of our civil society, where we discussed this today. We also made a presentation to the University of Liberia. The students were very positive about the work of the G7 Plus, and then there are a lot of questions raised regarding the benefit and the work of the G7 Plus, and how Liberia could play in this important role within the G7 Plus as one of the founding members.
Meanwhile, on the third day, G7 Plus is scheduled to conduct courtesy visits and meetings with the President of Liberia, as well as the Minister of Justice and of the Mines and Energy.